Hello guys, this is Luciano Paladino, and today I'm going to show you how to install and use Cianodock. Okay, this is the file that you download from the website. Just open and extract the content in a new folder. So just create a new folder. I'll call it Cianodock, put on the desktop, and extract the content. Okay. And now we are ready to launch Cianodock. This is Cianodock on its base configuration. So the first thing that we can do is to add groups. Groups are kind of categories that you can organize and put them into some links for your favorite application games. So just add 3 groups. The first one, games. Okay. The second, internet. And the last one, graphics. Oops. Perfect. So we have our 3 groups. Next step we want to do is to personalize the icon of this group to make them more recognizable for us. So just go to the folder where we have all the PNG icon and okay, for example we want to put let's say this for internet. So just select and hold Control. So we have to make sure that we press and hold the Control key and drag and drop to the group. If for the first time it doesn't work, retry. Okay, perfect. So this is for internet. Let's say this for graphics. Control key on the keyboard. And another one, for example this for the games group. Perfect. So we have the 3 groups. So now we want to add some programs inside. So let's see, Blender. Go to the Blender folder and just drag and drop the Blender file without pressing anything on the keyboard. You can see Blender on the graphics group. Quickly I will add all the other application, icon FX on graphics, Opera on internet, some Microsoft games on the games group. Perfect. So we have our program with the default icon for the links. So now other customization is like to for example I want to, this is games, but this contains just Microsoft game. So if you want to, I want to rename the group, just right click on the group. You have 2 voices here, 2 options. Remove group, that will remove the group from the dock, and modify group. So push modify and select, type Microsoft, and voila, we have Microsoft game group. We can do the same with this one. Push the right mouse button with 3 options. Open folder location, open the folder of the program that I found very useful. Modify link, just solid tile, okay, with the S in uppercase. This is the path of the program. You can change if you change the location of the groups, of the links. And arguments, you can add arguments. For example, some application accept arguments. You can fill for example, let's OpenGL. Some application will start with OpenGL setting, for example. Okay, solitary with the uppercase, perfect. Also, we can change the icon for the links in the same way that we did with the groups. Let's say this one for icon FX. Just holding control, drag and drop, perfect. Now icon FX as the own new icon. Push it and launch our icon FX. Perfect. So another thing, I want to change the position of the groups and links. Just holding control, click on the group, it will glow, and push to the other position, to the end position, and it will move. Okay, we have to hold the control. Okay. Hold control, push, I will change it. This works also for the links. Hold control and push, I will change. Hold control, push, change. Perfect. Now we can also remove a group, for example, internet, remove group. The same for the games, remove link, and remove the link. We can also personalize the background. Just go to the backgrounds folder that we have. I have these backgrounds, I didn't make it. This is from a Cianodock, another dock that I used before. I like this background, so I keep it. If I want to change, just hold control, drag and drop on the center of the dock, I will change it. This is a background of chalk, I like it, so I make it this background. And okay, now I have chalk background on Cianodock. Sometimes happen that the background make not very readable the icon, so I choose to put this option, enable icon shadow, that will add a shadow. How can you see on the icon, so it's more readable and it's more contrast with the background. Just toggle the option. Default background will will set the default background. Topmost, right now Cianodock is on the topmost order. If I'll change, now we'll respect the Z order of the windows. I will prefer to the topmost option enabled. This for change the languages. You can create your own language and send to me, so I can put into the Cianodock file. So I will encourage you to do it. So this is for visibility. How can you see? Right now, when I launch an application, Cianodock disappear. To make it appear again, the default hotkey is Alt, the minus symbol of the keyboard will appear. But if you don't like it, just make sure that the focus is on the Windows. Just clicking on it. I choose, for example, Control and push the A key, that is 65 on the keyboard. And now Control A, show and hide Cianodock. All the things about is about me, and also show the version of the Cianodock. You can compare with the last version of on the website to see if you have the last version of Cianodock on your computer. To close Cianodock, just push close and yes. Hope now this will make more understandable how to use it. So see ya next. Bye.